Here's how to cancel a scheduled email in Gmail in 2026. If this video helps, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign in to your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click on Scheduled. This folder shows all emails you've scheduled to send later. Find the email you want to cancel and click to open it. At the top of the email, you'll see a message saying when it's scheduled to be sent. Now click Cancel Send at the top. The email will immediately move back to your Drafts folder and will not be sent. You can now edit the email, reschedule it, or delete it completely from Drafts. And that's it. You've successfully canceled a scheduled email in Gmail.